stop. Do not buy another thing on Amazon until you watch this video. I'm going to show you the hidden tools that they don't tell you about that expose the truth behind an Amazon sale. Like this. Looks like a Prime Day steal, doesn't it? Wrong. It was actually cheaper 3 weeks ago. But how would you know that? I'm doing a deep dive on the 2 sites that will help you know exactly what you're buying and when a deal is really a deal. Tech it before you wreck it. What's up, geeks? I'm Kirk. Down here in the corner, I wanted to jump right into it. I don't want to waste your time. This is the first of 2 sites I want to show you. This is called CamelCamelCamel.com. This has been around for a long time, and if you haven't been using it to shop on Amazon, you're definitely missing out. So I'm not logged in. You can use the basic functionality without logging into the website, and there's a couple of different ways to use it. First and foremost, you'll see a search bar here at the top, and you can simply search for any product, and it'll bring back search results. I don't think this is ideal. Frankly, if you're trying to search for Amazon products, the best spot is always going to be on Amazon.com. It's just a better experience. It's designed to help you find stuff. So if you're searching for stuff, stick with Amazon.com. But here's how it works. Once you find something, for example, this gaming controller, once you find something you're interested in, you look at the price, $26.99. You think to yourself, I think that's a good price. It shows that it's marked down from the typical price, but is that really a good price? So go up to the top where the URL bar is and copy the link. And now we're going to go back to CamelCamelCamel and paste the link in. So I go into that search bar where it says find Amazon products and I paste the link in, hit enter, and it'll take me right to the product I was just looking at on Amazon.com. And this is kind of peeling back the back-end information of what you want to know about this product. And this is what's really important here, the Amazon price history. This is going to show you the history of that specific item on Amazon. So you can look at it over the course of the past month, over the past 3 months, 6 months, or I'll hit all time. This is going to show me everything, all the price history it has for this specific item. And take a look. You can see the blue bar here is the current price of that item sitting at $26.99, and then the bar on the bottom here is the lowest price that controller has ever been. And you can go up and see that the price has been as high as $33. You scroll down a little bit, it'll show you that same information. Lowest price ever, $26.39, tells you exactly when it hit that price, and the highest price ever, $32.99. So what we can figure out from this is that we're actually getting a really good deal. This is one of the best prices they've ever had on this specific controller. But this gives you basic lay of the land when it comes to the history of the price for any specific product on Amazon. The point of this is to help you decide if you're getting a good deal or if it just looks like a good deal and it's not actually that good of a deal. You got to put every product into this site before you buy it on Amazon. This is cool too. If you're logged into the website, which you can do for free, you've got a button over here that says add Amazon price watch. And if I click that, I can set a desired price and say, listen, if this controller goes down to $22, and I'll type in Bluetooth controller for the label. If this goes to $22, I want to know about it. So I'll hit save, and now it's going to give me a price alert. It'll send me an email, notify me when the price goes down to that exact point, which is great if you're looking for something, but you know that you don't want to spend above a certain amount. That's how you do it. Again, totally free. You can log in with your Google account. You don't even have to create an account on this specific website. So on the top, you've got a few options here. You can check out your price watches, which will show you all the products that we're currently watching. And then you've got an option that says popular products, and it just sort of lists some of the products that are more popular on Amazon right now. I like this one better, top price drops, because you can sort it by percentage weekly, percentage daily. It's not the best way to find products, but it's a cool way to look through a big old list of stuff that you might possibly be interested in. I wish it provided more granular options here, but it's a pretty good user-friendly way to search some of the deals currently on Amazon. You'll also notice they have a browser extensions section here. You can install browser extensions for Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, Firefox, Opera, and Apple Safari. I would suggest this. If this is a tool that you use often, I would suggest installing this on your browser, and I'll show you why. Okay, so now that I've got what's called the CamelSizer, it's the CamelCamelCamel extension installed, you'll see that icon right up here where my extensions are for my browser. And if I'm on any page on Amazon, again, like this Bluetooth controller, I can click on that little button and it'll show me the same information that I just saw on the web page without having to copy and paste it over to the web page. It makes it one click away. It's a great tool to have kind of at your fingertips right there in the top of your browser when you're shopping on Amazon. You can see that I've set a desired price. price. I can also see the price history here, all the same information, almost a little bit more user-friendly, I think, than the website itself. So CamelSizer is the extension. I think this is a great way to go if you're using Amazon a lot and you want to be able to check price history and pricing information quickly inside your browser. Before I show you the second site, I do want to point out all the sites and extensions I'm talking about are going to be linked in the description. This video is not sponsored by anybody. These are just cool tools that I've found useful when shopping on Amazon. And do me a huge favor, subscribe to my channel. I got a lot of cool videos like this one coming your way here on YouTube. All right, now on to the second site I want to show you guys. So this site is called Keepa.com, and it has a lot of similar functionality to what I just showed you on CamelCamelCamel. They also have a browser extension that you can use as well. I suggest trying them both out. They have a little bit of a different interface, but they do, generally speaking, provide a lot of the same information, especially when it comes to tracking the pricing history. I find that Keepa is a little bit more detailed, which can be good or can be bad. Sometimes it feels like too much information, and I think most people might not want that, but sometimes it's just the right information. So again, worth trying this one out as well. But there's something different here that I really like about Keepa, and it's on the top here. See this first button with the shopping bag? It says deals. And this is kind of like what I showed you on CamelCamelCamel, but it feels like it's on steroids here. This is basically a giant list of all the current deals or price markdowns on Amazon.com. Go over into the left-hand side and you'll see a huge plethora of information. You can select how much of a price drop you want. I don't want to see anything unless it's, let's say, 40, I don't know, 70 to 100% off. I don't think 100% off is realistic, but show me anything over 70% off, or the price drop range, or the last price change. So many options here to filter out, and you'll see you get a giant list, almost an endless list of things that are on Amazon right now that fit those parameters. So if you don't know what you want to buy and you're looking for a way to find deals on Amazon, Keepa.com, specifically the deals section on Keepa.com, is an awesome way to go through and just sift through the huge amounts of stuff on Amazon. On the top, you'll also see all the different kind of sections here. I can click on automotive, for example, and it'll show me automotive products that now fit inside the parameters that I've set on that left-hand side. You can select just lightning deals. For example, in this case, it doesn't have any in those parameters in that specific category, but then I hit show all and it'll show me more. I want to go back and kind of reset my range here so it gives me more options. These are all the lightning deals currently happening. So again, I think this is a great way to jump into Amazon and find those deals that you're looking for. So there you have it, guys. Shop like a pro on Amazon. Those links, again, down in the description. And maybe you've used these tools, or maybe you have other tools that I didn't talk about. Throw those in the comment section. I love to read your comments. My favorite part about posting videos is seeing what you guys have to say and then commenting back and having a conversation about that. And just do me a huge favor. Subscribe to the channel. It helps me grow here on YouTube. I've got a lot more cool tech tips, tech reviews, just geeky stuff coming your way here on the channel. Tech it before you wreck it. I'm Kirk.